Good evening, my friends. My name is Vilas Sabra Gopal. Today's date is 1st February 2024. Today, my topic name is Object Life Cycle in Java. Object life cycles means the durations in which an object is the valid for use between the time it is the instantiated or created and then released or destroyed. There are two life cycles to understand when the working with the expert bridge and wrapper objects. The life cycle and instant of the wrapper objects and the life cycles of the underlying objects being wrapped. In Java, the object life cycle refers to the various stage an object goes through the from its creation to its destructor or garbage collections. Understanding the object life cycle is crucial for efficient memory management and resource utilization. First is creations, instantiation. Objects are created using the new keyword or through the other instantiation mechanism. Memory is allocated for the objects. Next is instant initializations. Once object is created, its field are initialized either with default value or explicitly assignment. Next is uses. The object is used to perform the various operations or tasks. Next, is the reference and scope. Objects are referenced by variable or pass as a parameter to the methods. The scope of the object is determined by the scope of the variable referencing it. Next is the garbage collection. When object is no longer reachable, for example, there are no reference pointing to it becomes eligible for garbage collections. Java garbage collector automatically reclaim memory occupied by the unreachable objects. Next is a finalizations. The finalize methods can be overridden to perform the cleanup operation before an object is garbage collected. However, this method is the less commonly used due to its limitation and uncertainty regarding when it will be called. It's important to note that Java developers often don't explicitly manage the memory deallocation or destructor. As the Java Virtual Machine JVM and its garbage collector handle those tasks automatically, developer focus on proper object uses, ensuring that unnecessary references are nullified when the object is no longer needed. Some points of object, how to work in objects. First is creation of a .class file on disk. As you note that Java program run on the Java virtual machine. When we compile the Java code, Java class, it is the transfer into bytecode which is perform the machine independent. In the compiler class are stored .class files or disk. Next is the loading for initializing in static memory of a class. Now Java look for all the initialized static member of the class such as static methods, static field and static blocks. Next is a way to initialize the class in Java. A class can be initialized in two ways. First, when you access a static field or static method of the class. Allocation of allocation of a memory for object and reference variable. In stage, Java allocate the memory on the heap for the object and memory on the stack for objects reference variable. Thank you.